Guys, this is the KTM Enduro 390, the Indian spec beast built for off-road domination. And at front you get 21-inch tall wheel with a fully spoke setup. Moving to the middle, the slim tank and orange steel frame gives the bike the pure, ready-to-race energy. At the back you get an 18-inch spoke wheel, high mudguard and a tall 880 plus seat height. From the top, key on, the dash wakes up instantly in ready to race mode. Finally, the sound